I wanted to find out what new teachers think the job will be, why are they wanting to become teachers, and why work in education. I also want to speak to people that are teachers and ask them why they're working in education. What is it about? Why do they like it? And I want to find out why many are leaving the teaching profession.
That's what we want.
Just say I had an existential crisis.
Yeah, I'm just going to put that in. I had an existential
Yeah,
crisis.
basically, that was the whole. Why do you want to become a teacher? Because I thought I wouldn't have a career, but I've been doing a teaching job for like
but
9 weeks.
So what?
In the 9 weeks I've been a teacher, you've resigned. Adam's gone. Yeah. It's. I think that says more about me than.
Yeah. This isn't going how I expected it to go.
Well, initially I wasn't looking forward to it. I wasn't looking forward to being a teacher. I was very anxious about it. And in fact, day one, when we did all the enrolments and stuff, I was not excited to be here. But since then, I've really thoroughly enjoyed it and really thoroughly enjoyed becoming a teacher. Well, I've always been surrounded by teachers. So it's sort of just inevitable that it might happen. Yeah, my grandfather was a teacher, my brother and my mum all were teachers.
Were you given a choice?
Yeah, they all said don't be a teacher.
And I'm ending it there.
So my experience of how I was taught certain things around the subject, I can use that and deliver it in my own way and teach what I know in the style that I want. It was something that I never thought that I would, like a career path that I would go down. It was the last couple of months of my previous degree where I thought teaching is probably something that I could get into more, something I could do that'll help me on a personal level, sort of like communication and just that extra boost of confidence to be able to stand up and deliver a class. It also holds and keeps that passion for your subject. You get to teach and deliver lessons on many different areas. Like for me, teaching lessons that surround like darkroom and traditional photography, I love it. Yeah, passion's definitely a key factor when it comes to teaching your subject specialism.
I can view myself on ProPortal.
Yeah, but what does it say when you view yourself on ProPortal?
Oh, I probably shouldn't divulge that.
Yes, you should.
It was all the times I wasn't here in level 5.
James is missing again.
James is missing. Can we catch up with James? Has anyone heard from James today?
No, we never did hear from James.
For a whole year I disappeared.
Certainly not for the money. I like the interactivity with the students. I quite like what I teach. I enjoy what I teach. Yeah, it's alright.
I'm so putting them in.
It's about giving experience to young children. Whether that experience teaches them anything is kind of up to them. Developing young humans into fully functioning humans. I like that I can be creative in the way that I deliver. I also like that it's always a learning journey for me as well. I'm always learning and developing and coming up with new ideas, and I enjoy that aspect of it. It's just I don't have the time to actually do any of them. Or the money.
Why work in education? First of all, I started off teaching about 18 years ago in catering, hospitality and catering. Obviously time changes, it's a lot of work teaching, as you know, a lot of paperwork, a lot of targets and deadlines to meet that were rushed. Something that really got on top of me at the stages. I bought a caravan to relax in and were taking paperwork away with me. Didn't work. Thought I need to come out of teaching. But I still wanted to be in education with learners because I still enjoyed working with learners. I like that I'm able to help them achieve something and be part of their journey. So I come out to teaching hospitality and catering after 18 years and then come to do learning support, which I've been here for 7 years, and I still enjoy the job. It's a job I can come and meet a student in the morning, help them along the journey, gain the qualification, and then leave at the end of the day knowing that I've done the best I can do, and hopefully that they can achieve what they want to achieve.
I might use that. Why work in education?
Because it's rewarding and you meet some really nice people. All the stuff, because the staff want to be here and sort of help students. Everyone's really lovely. We've got it feels like a little bit of a family, which is cute.
It's true though.
It is true, and yeah, the students are lovely.
Dawson.
Dawson. I like it because, yeah, sort of similar reasons, just the students are really lovely and you genuinely feel like you're helping them.
Like, what do you get from helping a student or seeing them grow?
Well, it's just like a mixture of, just a mixture of doing stuff that I enjoy as well as helping other people.
Do you get a sense of self-satisfaction?
Yeah.
You enjoy seeing Dawson actually get something right?
Yes.
I feel like we're picking on Dawson.
We are picking on Dawson. But yeah, when you've helped them and you see the students all happy and proud of themselves, that gives you self-satisfaction, very much so.
Since recording 10 years a teacher last year, all but one of our team is now left. We were an incredibly close team, so what happened? In part 5, I'll ask the 4 of us why we became teachers, what we loved, did and hated about teaching and working within our team, and what do we do now? Fundamentally, why did we all leave, taking 40 years of media and photography teaching skills with us?